everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means I have the YouTubers Nail Art Stamping Weekly Collabs. I think I said it right that time. So this is a collab day that I do with a Facebook group that I'm a part of. I've been a part of for a while now. So we do collabs every Tuesday, and there's always a theme, and this week the theme is snow and like wintry. So perfect for what is happening here where I live in Canada. It's very snowy and winter outside. So the host for this week is Pattie from Pattie's Polished Corner. So she thought of the theme. Excuse me, sorry. So I'm going to be doing a wintry themed mani today. So I've got the perfect plate in my previous My Mani box, so I thought I would use that. I haven't used it yet, so we're going to start it off with using that. So right now, currently on my nails, I have two things. I have this Paint It Pretty Polish, and this one, oh shoot, I can't remember the name of it. I will leave the link down below. I have one coat of that on my nails, and then I also have this Painted Polish by Lexi. This one is one of her new ones. This is Maples and Moonlight, so I have one coat of that over top of that one because I kind of thought it would give it a little bit more of a, I don't know, different look. So that is what is on my nails. And then the stamping plate we are going to be using is this Crystal Collection from Muyu London. Like I said, I got it in my mani box. And I also forgot to say that I will have everybody's links at the in the description box, and I'll have their pictures at the very end of the video. I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing for this design, so I might be using this Beauty Big Bang, and this is 001 stamping polish. I also might be using, I'm pretty sure I'm going to use this Born Pretty Store. This is White Night Series. This is pure to stamp with. And I might throw this one in there as well. This one is also the White Night Series, and this is Time Fly. I haven't decided exactly what we're doing, but I will figure it out on the way. So stay tuned for that, and you will see what I come up with. Alright, so we're going to crack into this plate. So I'm going to peel off the blue film. We're going to start and see. Alright, so that is the plate we are going to be working with. I don't know, there's a lot of neat images on there. I actually am excited when I received this. I don't know, I really like this one, and I think that's cool because I think you can layer some of them, maybe. I'm not really sure. I don't know. I'm going to think about it, and we're going to figure out what we're going to do. Alright, so I changed my mind. I'm actually going to use this Born Pretty Store. This is White Night Series, and this is In Fire. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use the white polish. I was trying to figure out what I liked together as a combination, and I think because this one's kind of got like bronzy gold flakes in it, I thought that would look nice with gold rather than silver and blue. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into stamping. And I'm going to speed it up, and let's go.